All right, well, heat and high humidity will be something we're all going to have to contend with this afternoon. We're also tracking the potential for some isolated downpours. They're in fact already developing within the last, say, 30 minutes or so. And they are very isolated in nature, meaning that it's a situation where many towns will remain dry this afternoon. A little bit closer inspection here. You can see how they're pulsing up and then diminishing. We've got one moving toward Meriden and Southington right over 691 currently. Some lighter rain to the west of, say, Naugatuck and Oxford along 84 there, and then some heavier rain working into southwestern Fairfield County. So again, hit and miss should do it for us this afternoon. Heat wave wise for our fifth one of the year. So far as of the noon hour 91, that number will go up. Temperatures this afternoon likely as hot as yesterday. So mid 90s certainly possible. Then you factor in the high humidity. It's going to make it feel more like 100 if not higher. So in fact, the combination of the extreme heat and the high humidity is worse today than yesterday. And compared to this time yesterday, we have temperatures across the state that are several degrees warmer. Here's a look at the actual numbers. 89 for Willimantic, 88 in Meriden, 90 at Brainerd Airport, 91 at Bradley International, 86 currently in New Haven, and 81 in Groton, even mid-80s right now in the Northwest Hills. And look at these dew point values, upper 60s and low 70s inland, but as high as 77 right now in New Haven. So it's oppressive out there, making it feel more like 97, feels like 95 in Hartford. So these heat index values, what it feels like, will be making their way up to, if not over 100, as we head into the peak of the heating this afternoon. There's our iCam view from Hartford, showing a mix of sun and clouds. You can see from Waterbury some of those towering clouds out there, perhaps some showers coming out of them as we look toward the horizon, and as well from New Haven, a bit of a quieter scene there, and as well primarily clear with our iCam view from New London. So we've got plenty of tropical air mass basically in place. Dew point values where you see the shades of yellow in the 70s. So any rain that develops this afternoon certainly could be heavy, again with the isolated nature of these downpours that be popping up. Looking westward, we have a cold front that eventually is going to be heading into southern New England. It's moving through the eastern Great Lakes. This will provide a better chance for rain and storms during the day tomorrow as the focal point of that storm threat as the front makes its way, I should say, into southern New England. So futurecast, as we step you through the afternoon, you can see again the isolated nature of any downpours that pop up. Later on tonight, there's going to be a line of showers in advance of that front, some thunderstorms that will likely diminish as they head toward Connecticut overnight, and then we're going to see our best chance for rain and storms during the day tomorrow, especially through the afternoon and evening. You can see how things start to light up a bit as we head toward the Wednesday evening commute time. So in our early warning 7-day forecast, that front is going to stall offshore Thursday, Friday. If it stays far enough offshore, then we'll stay dry here in Connecticut with a mix of sun and clouds Thursday, Friday. Just a slight chance otherwise for a pop-up shower or storm. Temperatures trend cooler, relatively speaking, and also less humid. Still, the stage is being set for a really nice weekend. Morning lows in the 60s and afternoon highs both Saturday and Sunday between 80 and 85.